Hello and welcome to another video from CarFan 101. In this video I'll show you how to change the engine air filter on an Audi Q5. On this video there's two parts, so please watch carefully to the end, and you'll see a lot of details that you have to be careful with since it's a do-it-yourself and you don't need to break anything. So watch carefully, enjoy, comment, and come back for more. Thank you. Screw this one in, screw this one in, and here's the O-ring. Make sure you put them right. Over here you have, all around you have some rails, so when you put it in, make sure it's in correctly before pushing in harder. All the way to the end of the back. See? Everything's tight and nice, and the back here too, all the way to the bottom here. Make sure it's tight, and be careful with this. Here too you have some pins. See the pins underneath to go to the hole over here, and these pins after. So make sure everything is aligned before screwing everything back on. Everything's back into place. All the 7 screws and the clip. Make sure that, like I said, these pins are inside and these clips are very good clipped. Now for the second part. These are push pins. You have to take this cover up so you can clean the little very small air filter which is inside. I'll just show you in a second once I take off this cover. The pins are off. Make sure you just slide them over. The 2 little pins are there over here so you don't break them. These are the lights. Same with this. It's all opened. See over here, they're underneath. So you have to go underneath just to make sure that you pull them off like that. Don't break anything. And those over here, see, now you can lift it. You have pins over here, so just make sure you pull everything up very slowly so you don't break anything. So now that it's off, you see those pins, they will go here. So these are wherever they need to go. Find some bugs. And another bug. So enjoy cleaning before putting everything back together. Like everything is taken off. So now what you have to do is take this part off. You have 2 screws over here, one here and one here. This is the first filter. This over here inside. See, that goes into the airbox over here. So this is what you need to take out in order to clean this small filter over here. So I'll show you once it's cleaned. I'll now take it off. See, now it's taken off. Those pins over here that you have to take off, and this is the filter that need to be cleaned. Look how dirty that is. So I'll clean it and put everything back on later. So here's how the part looks once cleaned. Look how there's no more bugs in it. There's a little bit of water left, but it will dry it out. And this whole piece over here, see? So this whole piece goes back into here. See, like that. Now it's into place. Those two screws are screwed back in. And make sure that every pin inside over here, over there, this pin over here, this pin over here, and the one underneath here, they're all pinned inside. So right over here, this one over here, and make sure that underneath it's tucked in right. So this is it. All you have to do now is put back the plastic cover over here, the pins, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I'm finished. See the plastic, it's back, everything's put in place, nice and clean, and this filter over here is brand new. So that's it, you guys. Enjoy and have fun changing it, and save a lot of money.